Hi everyone, so today in this video we'll see that how we can import and spreadsheet data into Revit as Revit elements. So how we can do that thing. So first of all, we'll see our data. This data I just want to import in Revit as Revit elements. So make sure before proceeding that we'll go in the layout and we'll set print area, whatever we need to import and Revit. Now Control S, then we'll go in Revit and we'll use the add-in table gen given by TI roots. So I'll open the add-in and we'll click on add tables. Here I'll give the path of my spreadsheet, that is test. And right here we have to make sure that which tab we have to import in this one. So right here my tab is sheet 1 of test. So I'll go right here, sheet 1, that is my print area that I was selected, and I can import the data as legend view, as schedule view, or as drafting view. So I'm right now creating drafting view. Okay, so here my drafting view is created by sheet 1001. I can rename it whatever, like I just want sheet 1 only. So that's how it's done. Now I'll click on apply. Here you will see that a drafting view is being created. Okay, we'll see the drafting view, or if you did not get the drafting view properly, you can right click on that, click on open view, and we'll get the view. Here you can see we get the proper element as Revit elements. So that's how we can import any spreadsheet data in Revit as Revit elements. Thank you.